In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a money order at a Bank of America ATM in 2025. Let's dive right into it to ensure you handle this process confidently and efficiently. First, you want to locate a Bank of America ATM that accepts deposits. As not all ATMs have this capability, make sure to look for the Deposits Accepted message on the ATM screen. A great way to pinpoint these locations is to use the Bank of America app. Open the app, head over to the Locations section, and apply the filter for ATM with deposits. This will guide you to the nearest ATM equipped for your deposit needs. Now that you've found an ATM, the next crucial step is to endorse your money order. Turn it over and on the endorsement line at the back, sign your name. It's important to match the payee name exactly as it is on your Bank of America account to avoid any discrepancies. A quick word of caution here. It's best practice to sign the money order only once you are at the ATM. This helps minimize the risk of fraud should the money order be misplaced. With your money order endorsed, you're ready to proceed to the ATM. Insert your Bank of America debit card into the machine. This will give you access to your account after you enter your personal PIN. Make sure you safeguard your PIN during this step to keep your account secure. After you've accessed your account, navigate the ATM's main menu to find the deposit option. Once selected, you'll need to choose which of your accounts you wish to deposit the money order into, your checking or savings account. Having decided, the next step is to insert the money order into the ATM's deposit slot when prompted. Fortunately, Bank of America ATMs don't require the use of an envelope for deposits, simplifying the process. The ATM will scan and display the deposit amount on the screen for you. Take a moment to verify the amount is correct and then confirm the deposit. Finally, choose whether you'd like a printed or emailed receipt as proof of your transaction. The receipt serves as a confirmation of your deposit, so keep it safe until the money order clears. Generally, funds from deposits like these are available by the next business day. However, be aware that larger deposits or deposits to new accounts might take a bit longer, potentially up to 5 business days. And there you have it. You've successfully deposited a money order at a Bank of America ATM. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now ready to complete your transaction confidently. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.